Before you write a single line of machine learning code, you need to understand the tool you will be using every single day. That tool is Python. In this episode, we will cover what Python actually is, why it became the default language for machine learning, and how to get your machine set up correctly from day one. Python is a high-level interpreted language. High-level means it handles a lot of low-level complexity for you, like memory management. Interpreted means your code runs line by line, directly, without needing to be compiled first. This makes it very fast to write and test. That is exactly why data scientists and machine learning engineers love it. Go to python.org and download the latest version, 3.11 or above. When the installer opens, there's one step most beginners miss. Check the box that says Add Python to Path. This lets your terminal recognize the Python command from anywhere on your system. Once installed, open your terminal and type python -- version. If you see a version number printed back, your installation worked correctly. For your code editor, we will use Visual Studio Code. It is free, lightweight, and has excellent Python support. After installing it, open the Extensions panel on the left sidebar. Search for and install two extensions. The first is Python by Microsoft. The second is Pylints. These give you syntax highlighting, autocomplete, and real-time error detection. Once done, create a new file and save it with a .py extension. That is how Python recognizes a file as a Python script. Python comes with a package manager called pip. You use pip to install external libraries like NumPy for math or Pandas for data. Here is something important that most tutorials skip. Always use a virtual environment. A virtual environment is an isolated folder that holds all the dependencies for one specific project. This means different projects can use different library versions without conflicting with each other. To create one, type python-mvnv followed by a name for your environment. Then activate it using the command shown on screen. You will know it is active when the environment name appears at the start of your terminal prompt. Now, let us write your first script. The print function takes whatever you place inside it and outputs it to the terminal. On the first line, we pass a string, which is text wrapped in quotes. Python prints it exactly as written. On the second line, we pass a math expression. Python evaluates it first and then prints the result, which is 5. The hash symbol starts a comment. Python completely ignores everything after it on that line. Comments are notes for you and your team. To run this file, open your terminal, navigate to the folder where the file is saved, and type Python followed by the file name. Your Python environment is now ready. You have Python installed, Visual Studio Code configured, and you understand how pip and virtual environments work. In the next episode, we start writing real Python. We will cover variables and data types, the building blocks of every program you will ever write.